Chara, Jetsas Kona,
Shout out to
Zurura murugare, ndavonga vari magare takamira vari pambere ticheti ndichasvika pakuzoenda kumbere uimba ngoma kuti vanhu vaterere daindefoni ndaifona futi nepakona tatsivirirwa futi nekudawo kwekorona tenga rinotora ndivo vanotora vanotopa mwari voti enga vanozvirwa
He was a legend, never was pretending he was a nice guy. A message in the making, now he's out by high. I hope he's hitting bacon, chilling in the mansion while he's switching up the fashion. Man, he was an African soldier, ganja boy, he was never sober. He did the most until the end, until it's over. Give him time to sell him, I got one day, I bought Rockefeller.